Hello guys, welcome to the ninth video of the Flutter series, and today I'm very excited because today I'm going to show you a tutorial on bottom navigation bar. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, so over here we are having our program and this is the output. So if you are starting it, I am running it once more again and hold restart, and this is the home page, search page with a yellow background color, and profile page with a blue bottom background color. Okay, so here after the create state, we are creating a state over here because we are changing this values, and inside the class my navigation bar state we are creating an int selected index is equal to 0, and then static constant list widget and widget options. Okay, what kind of list we are creating? We are giving over here, it is a widget list. The widgets are text home page, text search page, text profile page. The style is font size of 35 and font weight of bold, this much. Okay, the icon is not specified here. I will tell you where it should be specified. So this much is being specified over here: font size, font weight, and the text. Okay, then void on item tab. If the item is tabbed, we are giving an argument of an index, the index of the item, and set state selected index is equal to that particular index value. Which index is being tabbed, that value we are passing it to selected index. Then after that, the title constant text, Flutter bottom navigation bar example, background color colors dot green, this one. Then sender child widget options dot element that selected index. So if the selected index is search page, it will be search page will be displayed over here. If it is home page, the home page will be displayed over here. Widget options of that particular one. Widget options dot element that, instead of we are giving dot element that particular selected index. Okay, then bottom navigation bar. Bottom navigation bar, we are creating items constant of bottom navigation bar item bottom, inside the list bottom navigation bar item of icon of icons dot home, text of home, and background color colors dot green, and bottom navigation bar item icon of icons dot search, title text of search, background color colors dot yellow, then bottom navigation bar item icon of icons dot person, title is text of profile, then background color is colors dot blue, and then after that the type is bottom navigation bar item dot shifting. Okay, this is shifting one, the particular type in which the bottom navigation bar item is working, and the current index is a selected index. This particular value selected item color is colors dot black. Which one is selected? If profile is selected, the color is black, and if this one is selected, color is black, and this one is selected, color is black. Icon size is 40, size will become 40, and on tab, if it is on tab, this particular value will occur. On tab item elevation is 5. uh, okay, if I comment this on tab over here and save it, see, nothing will happen because the value is not changing anytime. That is the power of this on tab over here. So even though we are clicking here, it is changing only because in the on item tab, this value is being passed, and selected index, the value is being changed. As long as the selected index value is being changed each time, this particular value is behaving like this. Okay, so let's uncomment it and save it. Okay, I will give elevation 10 over here and save and check what it is coming. Okay, the time taken is a long time. I will make it some more longer 50. Okay, just a small waiting over there, just a small animation. That is being what we are referring to as elevation. And if you want, we can. Okay, that's all for today's class. And thank you all for listening. If you have any comments or suggestions, please put it in the comment section. And thank you.